Welcome back. Just a short video this week on getting the trailer to a stage where I get it certified and get it registered, and then I strip it down to take it to the galvanizers. I also get back into the rudder build. Everything's completed as much as it's going to be before it goes and gets galvanized. I'm going to take it in now for an entry certificate and a warrant of fitness, get a number plate. I had to replace the wire that goes to that board that goes on the back there. The original one was way too short and was very, very light wiring. So I bought some decent tinned wire, put a 10 meter length on there. Even then I wonder if it's going to be not quite long enough, but that's the maximum you can buy. Pretty exciting. It's first big tow. I had nothing to worry about. It flew through the inspection, I'm very happy to say. Someone was inspecting the ducks and a little nervous, it seems. Gosh, I've wondered what the relationship was with the cat. He's a real hunter. And the ducks. What's the matter? You're a bit outnumbered. You're a bit outnumbered. This is how my drawbar extension works. I think it's going to work really well. I was going to put the trailer on another trailer, but then I decided it'd be easier to put the wheels back on and make the trailer be its own trailer, and it worked really well. Trailer at the galvanizers. I've just taken the wheels off. I didn't bring all four, just two. And it's going to be sandblasted first, abrasive blasted first, and then hot dip galvanized. Well, go through a chemical bath and then hot dip galvanized. You might remember in the last rudder video I had to make some repairs on some air pockets. I've decided, partly because I had to do those repairs, I'm going to give the top half another layer of uni, 400 gram uni, and another layer of 400 biaxial over the whole thing.